over now.
Because you told me your selfish side. You understand? You're going to show selfishness. You're going to trust. Because I'm going to so can I make a man?
Okay. Hi Donna, equitable sharing my food. Equitable sharing and it's equal sharing. Does it equal sharing? Kana kwa wandwa it means vakwasha vamaya vakatowanda futi handitika kana varora vakawanda osaka havasi kuchengetawo here mubereki wavo saka mukadzi uyu akataradza 100% ende ivava vane mwoyo yakadai ndivo vari mudzimba. Going forward, just be involved in everything pertaining to your mother's welfare. It's advice to the gentleman. Now, listen, Kenneth of Hamilton Insurance, for as little as $75 per year, you can insure your house, which is valued at $50,000. And also, we wish you knew that these are covered against damages caused by fire, theft, lightning, explosion, which is limited to gases used for domestic purposes. Also, we can insure you against earthquakes, impact by animals, accidental damage of water pipes, accidental breakage of windows, just to mention a few. And also, do you know that our house owner's insurance covers your private dwelling houses and also out buildings such as garages, servants' quarters, Jura walls, fixtures and fittings in your house, also borehole pumps, gates and garage motors, just to mention a few. So why not move over to Hamilton Insurance? Hashtag reliable, honest insurance. Hi, you're live on Stipend.
Hi, Donna and Sherwin.
Hi.
You find what sometimes I know my marriage where there is need people, but if you see someone going the extra mile, I think people should communicate. Like what she was saying, maybe should have communicated that no, need my report.
Yes.
And then they take it from there.
Yeah, but you want to see the eye.
Okay, all right. I'll take that. And it's not about the grocery issue, Donna. It's actually about the principle. Why is this lady doing this? And what more can she do towards my mother, which is outside of the grocery issues at hand? I didn't know what this is.
But it is good if you can do that.
Hi, you're live on Star FM.
Hi, Donna. Hi, Sherwin.
Yes, go ahead.
Donna. First, we were actually 3 years. I don't need it.
Yeah. Those are our newlyweds.